Welcome to your guided meditation that will help you understand the relationship between your blood, your breath, and your energy levels, courtesy of Purple. My name is Joshua and I'm a professional within wellness and entertainment here in Los Angeles, California. My intention here with this meditation is to give you a better understanding of yourself and how you work so that you can have a greater sense of peace every single day. We're going to start by finding a tall, comfortable seat, but if sitting upright causes you pain, please lie down using any pillows, blankets, mats, anything to be comfortable. I'm using the Ultimate Seat Cushion from Purple. They sent it to me to play around with in my personal practice, and I love it. I have chronic pain in my spine from osteoarthritis, in the entire spine actually, so anything that travels easily and helps my spine feel supported is an incredible gift. I want to do something in the same way for you, and I hope that this video and this information gives you a similar sense of peace, lessening of anxiety, and also just a better understanding of yourself and others. We're going to start by taking a slow, deep breath. First, exhale any stale air out of your lungs. Shh. Breathe in for 4, in through your nose for 3, 2, 1. Audible exhale, sigh out your breath. Let that breath go. This time as you inhale, I want you to bring your shoulders up to your ears, scrunch your face really tight, get everything really tight. And then as you exhale, release all of that out. Settle into stillness for the third breath. We breathe in for 4, breathe in for 3, breathe in for 2, 1. This time gently hold your breath for 4, 3, 2, 1. Softly exhale for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. This guided meditation is going to focus again on building your awareness of how your breath affects your overall energy. Now, if you choose to watch this video, I really do ask that you set that time aside for yourself. It's going to be less than a sitcom on Netflix, half of a sitcom on Netflix actually, and you deserve that much time where the focus is on you, because you're using this time to better yourself, and that means that you're setting yourself up to be there for others and to support and strengthen them in a sustainable way. I would really ask that you also set an intention for this. You know, that could be any goal. It can be big, wide, specific, anything you can focus on for this video. For example, my intention is to lessen your anxiety about the current state of the world simply by giving you more information on how to communicate more clearly with yourself. Sometimes when things get dark, all we need is 3 breaths to have a little bit of a different perspective. And that different perspective can help guide us through anything, through everything. Just 3 breaths. We're going to get started now with that breath work. This style of diaphragmatic breathing works best when you first breathe into your belly, then your chest, and then fill up into your throat. We're going to hold our breath to a count of 4, and then you exhale from 5 all the way down to 1, releasing all of that breath. I'm going to count you through it and guide you in the first round, and then in the second round I'm going to ask that you continue on your own so I can give you a little bit more information on how incredible you truly are. First, exhale everything out. Place one hand on your heart, the other on your belly. Deep inhale through your nose. Feel the sensations underneath your hands as you breathe in. Now hold for 4, 3, 2, 1. Exhale for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Breathe in for 4, 3, 2, 1. Hold for 4, 3, 2, 1. Now please continue to count on your own while I dive a little deeper. Whenever you breathe in, you're actually creating energy through cellular respiration. Think of this as you're boosting your natural energy levels simply by breathing in deeply. The oxygen that attaches to your blood, that helps stimulate your overall circulation. This brings blood to all the parts of your body that need it. Think of your lungs like those brown paper bags that we used to have to bring lunch with us 20 years ago in. When you crinkle that bag up, and then you breathe into it, it slowly expands, getting less and less crinkly. I want you to think of your lungs this way. And when you breathe in shallowly, you just breathe into your chest. The bottom of that bag never fills up. It stays really small and crinkly. The bottom of our lungs can actually take in 6 to 10 times more oxygen than the top. So when we breathe shallowly, we're actually starving ourselves. And our bodies enter this chronic low state of physical anxiety that we aren't usually conscious of. And this can happen even when everything in our life is going well, simply because of how we're breathing. Every little crinkle in your lung is designed to take in oxygen. And the more you breathe in, the more fully you breathe in, the more natural energy you're going to give yourself, the more natural focus, the more overall recall. And all of this comes from simply becoming aware of your breath. Where is your breath? Did you lose touch with your count as I was talking? Did you move your hands? It's okay if you did. It's totally natural for the mind to wander, for the body to fidget. What we're striving for with meditation is supernatural. That's not easy. Take the credit you deserve for every baby step along the way. Now let's get back to our breath. Place one hand on your heart. It doesn't matter which, the other on your belly. I just want you to focus on the sensations under your hands. Exhale everything out of your lungs. Shh. Breathe in for 4. Breathe in for 3. Breathe in for 2. Breathe in for 1. Hold for 4. Gently for 3, 2, 1. Softly exhale for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Inhale for 4, 3, 2, 1. Hold. Please continue to count on your own while I dive a little deeper into how awesome we are. Whenever you breathe out, you're getting rid of carbon dioxide, and we get rid of about 70% of carbon dioxide out of our mouths. What's really cool is plants breathe carbon dioxide in and then release oxygen back to us, little circle of life. What's not cool is when we keep that CO2 inside of ourselves, our body becomes acidic, and that triggers the sympathetic nervous system, your fight or flight response. And whenever that's triggered, the rest and repair can't be. When the body becomes acidic, it tells the central nervous system to dump a bunch of glucose into the bloodstream from your liver, sugar. And when that sugar hits your bloodstream, your heart rate is going to spike up. And that's going to rush blood to your biceps, your thighs, and your heart. It's going to rush it away from your digestive system, everything that needs rest and repair. You're going to start to feel very intense emotions as cortisol, the stress hormone, is pumped into your body. The adrenal glands start dumping adrenaline into your body as well, when you're ready to either fight to the death or run for your life. It doesn't matter if it's a tiger, a lion, if you're at your desk, on your couch, if it's your spouse, if it's just thinking about a friendship. It doesn't matter where the stress comes from. The body will respond the same way, and it's up to us to consciously tell it that we're okay, or it can lead to ongoing conditions. The good news is we're in control of this by simply becoming more aware of our breath. Where is your breath? Where is your count? Where are your hands? Do not beat yourself up if anything has changed. This is natural. We are striving to be supernatural, and that's not easy. Please take the credit you deserve. Let's get back to our breath. One hand on our heart, one hand on our belly. Exhale everything out. Shh. Breathe in for 4, 3, 2, 1. Hold for 4, 3, 2, 1. Exhale for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Inhale for 4, 3, 2, 1. Hold for 4. Please continue to count on your own. If you're finding any sense of peace, relaxation, or understanding, and you'd like to stay in the safe space that you've created, please give yourself permission to do so. Thank you for trusting me to help you build safety. It sounds silly, but this practice is the biggest thing that has helped my life. And I want that for you, and I want that for everyone else. In honor of your time, I will begin to quietly guide you out now if you're ready to do so. And if you're ever interested in diving deeper, just look at my other classes on DesireList TV. Gently wiggle your toes, your fingers. Roll out your ankles, move gently your wrists, your shoulders, your jaw. Exhale any stale air out of your mouth. Inhale, bring your shoulders all the way up to your ears, scrunch your face. Exhale, drop them down. Close your eyes and bring your hands to the center of your chest. Push your palms together. Breathe in, gaze up, find a strong, long spine. Exhale, pull your chin to your chest, bow your head forward. Namaste.